Good morning, people of Scotland and beyond. Currently you're rolling with pike and slippers at Loch Faskally in Pitlochry, Scotland, if I can get my words out correctly. It's a pretty gorgeous morning currently. It's a little bit rainy, there's no wind, it's very sheltered where I am currently. The salmon are jumping all over this loch at the moment. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. I've got two rods out. I've come specifically to do a little bit of piking because I've heard there's some decent pike in here. I'm fishing from the shore, which is not ideal I guess, because this is usually a boat venue. You've got trout, salmon, I think there might be ferox in here, I'm not sure, and of course Esox lucius, which is what I'm after today. I've got two rods out, one on the ledger, which is a bluey, popped up about 2.5 feet off the bottom. I don't know this water, I've never fished it before, so I'm just experimenting at the moment. I've got that rigged up with a little bite alarm there. And I'm fishing a free-flowing sardine on the float, just in the margins to see what we can pick up. So hopefully, with any luck, fingers crossed, we'll catch a big one. I'll keep you posted.
Everybody wake up.
Lazy afternoon. It's a lazy afternoon.
Well, that's the result, but as luck would have it, I just turned the camera off as I was filming some deer on the foreshore over there, and what happened? Float bobbed and away we go. Nice little 8-pound pike. So it's only 8 o'clock in the morning, with one fish up. I've got all day. Let's hope we continue in that line of success. Come on, pike and slippers. Okay, fish on. Probably not a big one, not a massive fish. Fish nonetheless. So we don't want you to go that way, darling. Even though you're determined to go that way. About the same weight as the last one, about the 8-9 pound mark, but when they go, they go. They are fighters, good old scrippers in Scotland. The spawn is gone, so they'll be fed up. Come on. Leave that girl there for a second. Let's get me tools. That's a mess. What have you done to yourself, lady? Well, I'm pretty sure that lady is the same lady we caught just not a little while ago. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's put her straight back. There you go. Well, I caught the same fish twice. Tried to move to a different spot, I think. Well, I'm back home from my interesting day out at Loch Faskally in Pitlochry. I managed to bag 2 8-pound pike, fair enough, not monsters. I've never fished the venue before, I didn't really expect for it to produce. What I thought was the same fish caught twice in the footage that you've seen there of me catching the second pike. It turns out I've reviewed the footage and I've looked at the fin structure of the fish, and it actually turns out that I've caught 2 different pike, which is a bonus for me. Anything over 1 usually is good, so 2 is a real bonus. I fished around the corner a little bit later on, but nothing produced there. Well, really good day out is all I can say about it really, so I hope you enjoy watching and I'll see you next time. Cheers.